Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Informative Chika. And yes, hayaan na nating magulo ang ating buhok. Kagigising po natin and nandito po ako sa terrace namin dito sa Airbnb. At eto, kape muna tayo. So, another day, another information about sa lugar na to. So, tingnan nyo. See? Napakaganda. So, okay, let's talk about this beautiful country, Malta. Diba? Napakaganda namang gumising sa isang araw na ganito ang una mong nakikita. So, praise the Lord. Napakaganda naman dito sa lugar na to. So, what is the background of Malta? The Maltese archipelago has a history of colonial control spanning centuries. Located south of Italian island of Sicily between Europe and North Africa. The island have been occupied by Phoenicians, Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Knight of Malta, and utterly France and Britain. So sa aming paglakad-lakad talagang makikita mo nga naman na sakop ng mga taga-Britain, and yes, part ito ng Sicily, so part ng Italy. So napakaganda. At hindi din ako nawala dito sa areang ito kasi marunong silang mag-Italiano. A Maltese person resides in Malta and has ancestral roots dating back to the ancient Carthaginians and Phoenicians, as well as to Italians and other people in the Mediterranean area. Today, the most Maltese people have Norman and Sicilian roots. So, yan po ang kanilang background bilang mga resident dito sa Malta. So, what is Malta best known for? People also asked, what is Malta famous for? This former crown colony is famous for being a sunny getaway in the Mediterranean Sea that offer beaches in various forms, crystal clear water for swimming and diving, for fortified cities and towns trapped in time, and ancient megalithic temples and Neolithic ruins. Diba ang ganda? So ito ang mga basic information about Malta. So kung pupunta po kayo dito, maganda po and napakaganda sa summer dahil ang island na to ay surrounded by beautiful beaches. So ito lamang po ang ating vlog today, and balik na naman po tayo for another information sa susunod ko pang mga videos. Salamat po and have a nice day. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. God bless.